Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a super annoying issue. Windows Explorer crashes on right-click. If every time you right-click your desktop or a file and Windows Explorer freezes or crashes, don't worry. I've got a step-by-step fix that actually works. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in CMAD. You'll see Command Prompt in the list. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Now, in the command prompt window, type the following command exactly: sfc scanow. Press Enter, and your system will start scanning for any corrupt or missing system files. This could take a few minutes. Just let it run until it reaches 100%. Once the SFC scan is done, we'll use the DSM tool to repair the system image. In the same command prompt window, type this: DSM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. Press Enter, and again, wait for it to finish. This step is important, especially if system components have been damaged. After both scans are complete, go ahead and restart your computer. This refreshes everything and finalizes the repair process. And that's it. Your Windows Explorer should now stop crashing when you right-click. If this fixed it for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech fixes, and leave a comment if you have any questions.